morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices extended gains after settlement, rising by more than $2 a barrel after US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said more US sanctions targeting Russia would be announced. Wall Street closed lower as a wave of mixed earnings, including Netflix's disappointing results, dampened risk sentiment as investors assessed reports that the Trump administration is considering curbs on exports to China made with US software. Hong Kong approved its first spot Solana ETF, marking the third spot crypto ETF approved by the city after Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Hong Kong SFC granted approval for the China Asset Management Solana ETF, which will be listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.